Thank you for checking out this video. This is George. Recently, I received an unboxed Gorilla Cell development kit, which is an embedded development kit for ESP32. But before that, I am actually purchasing modules little by little for my explorations and tinkering in microcontroller. Thankfully, Gorilla Cell, a company from South Korea, offered and sent me this all. Gorilla Cell ESP32 development kit comes with an ESP32 development board as the main microcontroller. It also comes with the Gorilla Cell ESP32 shield, which provides GPIO pin headers. It is designed to minimize the use of breadboard. As we all know, breadboard can be sometimes frustrating, especially for the beginners. And lastly, it comes with 80 pieces of input and output modules. That's really a lot when compared to other available kits in the market nowadays. This kit comes with a different variety of input and output devices, which could be buttons or a color touch sensor. There's also a touch sensor here. There is a switch, some LED, some RGB, traffic light, 9 pieces of MQ gas sensor, some displays like 16:2 LCD, dot matrix, OLED display, 7 segment, and NeoPixels. It also comes with different variety of motors like DC motor. There's also an stepper motor. This is the driver for the stepper motor. There's also a servo motor. It also comes with a set of communication modules like Bluetooth 4.0 or BLE, Bluetooth Classic, which is an HC-06. There is an IR module, a pair of IR module, which is TX and RX, a pair of RF radio transmitter and receiver. There's also a GPS module and a Wi-Fi module. And there are some spatial sensors that we can use. Like for example, there is a TOF or time of flight sensor. There is a peer sensor. There is a microphone, flame sensor. There is an RTC, slider, tilt sensor, vibration sensor, LDR, dust sensor, pressure sensor or barometric altitude pressure sensor, gyroscope, RGB sensor. There is temperature sensor. One is negative temperature coefficient temperature sensor. There's also a DHT11 for temperature and humidity sensor. This is very amazing collection of modules that you can use. With this kit, I am sure you will have a countless hours of exciting explorations in the world of microcontroller. In this case, with ESP32 microcontroller. In this video series, I will guide you on how to use each and every modules with the use of MicroPython language. I will also provide circuit diagram, source code, and additional information that will be posted in the companion blog post of this video. Links available in the video description. So that's all for now. If you have any concern about this video, please do write your question in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and share this to your friends so that it can reach more people who might benefit from this. You might also like to visit my companion blog post at tech.to.tinker.blogspot.com for more details. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when a fresh video like this is uploaded. Thank you. and God bless. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye!